tike miho Leyin. Federal government vows action as UK tax northern state security risk. The federal government has assured residents and foreign nationals of ongoing efforts to improve security across Nigeria, following a fresh travel warning issued by the United Kingdom. The UK's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office advised against all travel to Borno, Yobe, Adamawa, Gombe, Katsina, and Zamfara states, citing an escalating violence, terrorism, and kidnapping. It also recommended that the British national avoid all but essential travel to Bauchi, Kaduna, Kano, Kebbi, Jigawa, Sokoto, Niger State, Kogi, Plateau, Taraba, and part of Federal Capital Territory, warning of rising violence, crime, and potential flashpoints such as protests. Our security challenges will soon be a thing of the past, he said. We want to give tactics assurance that we are gradually improving security in our cities and communities. All foreign nationals in Nigeria are guaranteed their safety as the government implements more effective security measures, Idris said. However, the Gombe state government rejected the UK advisory, describing this clarification as unfounded and unfair. Federal government all of a sudden now vows láti take serious action against the terrorism in the northern part of Nigeria as UK government warned its own children, its own citizen, beloved citizen, that they should not, if you want to travel, if it is must for you to travel to Nigeria, boycott northern part. Avoid northern part of Nigeria. It's a dead zone. Nigeria government wá sáré taskata ìgbà yẹn náà wá promise British government pé kó má worry, we are going to take action now. Mo wá fi àsìkò yìí sọ fún ìwọ tó ń gbọ́ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tó wà nílé at abroad tó ń support the federal government. Sórí gbogbo right up tó ń kọ síta àwọn free àwọn 80 people from kidnapper, àwọn boss àwọn kidnappers den kìnìkan it's all lies o. Má believe wọn o, irọ́ ni o. Wọn ní proof o. Ìyẹn ló fi máa mọ̀ pé federal government wọn bí federal government in Nigeria rẹ̀ kó conquer terrorists, kó face terrorists. They won't. The same promise, it on promise, show me your daughter wants a promise. Wow, video.
Wait. The US Army strong, the US Army strong, the US Army strong. And I see some comments. Wait, and I see some comments. Where everybody for Niger, most of those men. Now I know say the problem of Nigerians are men, not women. For this whole matter will happen of this whole Trump matter. Now I know say now men be the problem of Nigeria, not ladies, because 90% of ladies are in support of this movement. So the men be the problem of Nigeria, not the ladies. Forget say Olosho, they do Olosho, what else again? Now Enyo Kuni don't go the problem Nigeria. Because now be kidnappers, now be terrorists. Now men be the problem of Nigeria. Wait. And the year when they talk, say because most ladies are fully in support of this movement. The only few ladies that are not in support, now the ladies when they say that they date all those politicians when they give them money. So most ladies are in full support of this whole thing. So in the talk, say Mr. President is coming to Niger. He's sending troops to Niger to go and declare war. Who said that? Where when I hear say Mr. President say they send people go Nigeria, they send troops go Nigeria to declare war. Say una no get sense me for Nigeria. Say una no fit understand message. What Mr. President is only talking about is against terrorism. Nobody is going to Nigeria to fight war. There is no war is happening, no war. United States of America is a peaceful country. All we always do, the troops always make sure everything is in order. Say orienti buru ni any sense ni. Why is it think baby so about Dani lo le man lo in you to Nigeria? All ti shake pe fun yin ni. E ti gbagbe Lekki to gates, don't shoot everybody. Now don't forget. No pray. Some of una family member dey there. That no shake pe fun yin. Who swear for una? Because I dey see the whole comments. If una come, they go shoot una. If una come, I'm not telling you who is coming. The time where for 2020, listen to this thing I'm saying. where they kidnap people, where they kidnap Americans, some few Americans from North. US Navy SEALs, they flew in. Nobody knew, share money. Even the kidnapper, they don't know when they reach there. Nigeria is a backward nation now. Nigeria is a backward nation. They don't buy artillery, they don't have anything. All the money which they're supposed to use buy artillery, they're supposed to use buy aircraft, military aircraft, they don't use and carry show. If na politician, make na see wetin net they say he build. See stadium as he be. Now, but they spend money on, they don't spend money on artillery. US Navy flew in 2020 October. They can't carry person when they kidnap for there. They carry arms. Just 7 US Navy SEALs, they flew in. Why not only mountain I get for Nigeria? Only mounts. You want to compare yourself with Afghanistan. All those ones, they have equipment. You want to compare yourself with Iraq. Many countries have gone so far. Nigeria is still way back. The only thing they do is cruise. Come online, turn the whole story to cruise. When is US Army come? Cho is too much. When are they coming? Everything, not for once. Now, whoever they serious. Any sense in it. We say come from streets. And we plan our life. Where? What shape for you? Now, don't you just sit down one time. Make me just sit down. Make me just use my brain. Everything a cruise. No sense. There is war. Now go buy war short clothes. What they come. See, shape for you. All our politicians. They don't know say that be mumu. They don't know. They don't study you now. Nothing will happen to Nigerian people. They go forget after 3 days. Not be say they know how to move on easily. They are just mumu. They are just stupid. Not all Nigerians, but most Nigerians, they are stupid. Just as their leaders. Not all. Now, men, the problem of Nigeria, not the ladies. The only thing where ladies they do, make they put their picture on top of Kudedron, make they do show. That's all. They are not the problem of Nigerians. Most evil way they happen for Nigeria are men. They do them. Now I know, because when we did our statistics, 98% of ladies are fully in support of what Mr. President said. In supporting Nigerians to fight against terrorism. Nobody is going to Nigeria to make war. Nobody they go to Nigeria say they won't fight war. Say any sense in it. One thing Mr. President tweeted was that all those killings needs to stop. It's common sense. Say they can put that shit together. That's all. Nobody sending troops to Nigeria to fight any war. Nobody sending troops to Nigeria to go and fight natural resources, to go and steal natural resources. Which natural resources now gets where they want to? That natural resources, wait, that natural resources, how many of them don't benefit inside the natural resources? How many? Many of them when they talk, many of them they go by road, go Libya. Libya when they talk, say US scatter. The Libya still better past Nigeria. Many Nigerians are in Libya, then they go through road. What is Sheik Gumi Salo? I thank Almighty God, say I come up for Nigeria when I was young. Because I don't let any of them draw me back. I raise my back.
Ṣé wọn náà gbẹ́ láyé brother wa? Farabalẹ̀ má wà so quick láti tètè gbọ́ tán. Tó bá ti gbọ́ tún padà replay ẹ̀ kó tún gbọ́. Ṣó make sense àbí kò make sense? Ẹ ti ẹ̀já wo ti UK àti federal government tán jọ ń tayò. So, ní ìgbà tí Trump lóun bọ̀ Nàìjíríà láti wá stop genocide, láti wá stop terrorism, UK mà wà lára àwọn tó gbárùwò síta. Wọ́n láwọn support àwọn true support wọn sẹ́yìn bàbá Tinubu àti government wọn against USA. Okay? Ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu ìkíní yẹn la ṣì wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ àbó ti kúrò lẹ́ni. UK mà ti U-turn. Olúyàlájẹ ìyójú. UK mà ti U-turn. Wọ́n ti advice àwọn citizen wọn gbà tó jẹ́ pé iyebíye ni ẹ̀mí àwọn citizen wọn jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba UK. Wípé tó o bá fẹ́ sọ wípé o fẹ́ lọ Nàìjíríà tí o bá kan dandan má lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá di pàrángídá kó jẹ́ citizen UK, ọmọ UK, kò ń ṣe black UK o, òyìnbó UK. Tó o bá fẹ́ lọ Nàìjíríà, rò ó lẹ́ẹ̀mejì o. Nítorí wípé northern part of Nigeria is a dead zone, má tiẹ̀ lọ bẹ̀. Don't even bother pé o fẹ́ lọ sí northern part of Nigeria. Wọ́n ti tag northern part of Nigeria as a dead zone. Ìgbà yẹn ni federal government wá sáré bọ́ síta. Ó di gbìrìgbìrìgbìrìgbìrì. Àwọn vow very very soon action. Àwọn máa kọ́bù action, à ń kọ́bù insecurity ní north nsìn. Nígbà tí UK ti tag northern part of Nigeria ní dead zone. Jọ àtìgbà tí Trump ti wá sọ pé òun bọ̀. Tí Nigeria government ti ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi sí media houses, àwọn ti gbégbésẹ̀, àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, àwọn ti arrest àwọn kidnapper, àwọn ti free àwọn tó kidnap, àwọn ti bust Lions Den, àwọn terrorists. tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni gbogbo kìíní tán sọ láti ìgbà tí Trump ti sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé ó yẹ kí federal government tó bọ́ síta kán wá máa sáré kán máa assure of British government wípé nísìnyí tẹ́tí ti wá táàgì northern part as a dead zone risky zone ní Nàìjíríà àwọn tí vow sí wọ́n ṣèlérí fún yín quick action tó jẹ́ sí pé gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n fi ń reply tó fi ń gbogbo fídíò tó ń gbé síta wípé àwọn army Nàìjíríà armed forces wa wọ́n lọ attack àwọn terrorists wọ́n bust hideout wọn àti kinní kan it's all fake. tó bá listen sí analysis brother mi ó ní Libya it is true jẹ́ ká jọ jókòó ká jọ dá sílẹ̀ ká tún ṣá lóòótọ́ ni gbogbo wa rí bí Libya ṣe rí tẹ́lẹ̀ after adẹ̀túnrin náà ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ pé gbogbo bá sọ wípé Libya ò remain the same mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé Libya yìí náà lóyìí jẹ́ ìlú òyìnbó fún ẹ̀yin ìran mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o mi mọ̀ bóyá àwọn tí ọmọ Yíbò bóyá wọ́n tẹ̀pa sí Libya but generally Nàìjíríà ìlú òyìnbó ńlá ìwọ tó bá kúrò Nàìjíríà sí tó ń lọ Libya ìlú òyìnbó ló ń lọ ìlú òyìnbó ni Libya yẹn jẹ́ fún Nàìjíríà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ wípé ó bàjẹ́ tó yẹn àìmọye yín ibẹ̀ ní ìlú òyìnbó tẹ́ máa ń lọ tẹ́tí máa lọ ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́ máa fowó ránṣẹ́ sílé. ìkejì ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ wípé gbogbo àwọn northern leaders like a governor senator minister emir sultan gbogbo wọn náà ní terrorist group tiwọn tí wọ́n ń kó àwọn boys wọn kán lọ máa kidnap yín kán pa yín even after tó bá gba ransom lọ́wọ́ yín àwọn fi yín ẹ̀ríṣẹ́ ayé tiwọn ìyàwó wọn àtàwọn ọmọ wọn go to the northern part of Nigeria lọ wo life tí àwọn ọmọ wọn live lọ wo mọ́tò tó wà nídìí wọn àti àwọn aṣọ tó wà àti gbogbo life tí wọ́n live àwọn pa Nigeria citizen láti jẹ́ àti láti jẹ títí wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kó yé ẹ̀yin Nigeria citizen tó ń pa wípé wọ́n Nigeria tẹ́ bá sọ wípé kán má pa yín mọ́ pé kẹ́ pín kò wà negotiable ẹni láti wọ́n ń jẹ́ kó yé wa pé wọ́n ti fi gbogbo Nigeria citizen jiná down láti máa pa at any time tó bá wù wọ́n láti kidnap yín láti pa yín dànù láti fi àdá là yín ní àárín láti kó ìfun yín jáde láti gbé ọwọ́ yín sẹ́yìn báyìí láti na orí yín síwájú láti fi àdá idà láti fi bẹ́ orí yín láti kó àwọn innocent soul live láti sin wọ́n alive wọn. ẹ̀yin Nigerian citizen àwọn western world láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà everybody including àwa tá wà labroad wọ́n máa tó shut down Nigeria kò sẹ́nibody tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yín mọ́ ìgbà yẹn lẹ máa mọ̀ tí mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ kí lẹ rò wípé Nigeria northern part of Nigeria wọn gbà kí wọ́n ka sẹ́sọ̀ Nigeria bá ṣe jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ọdún wo lórí tán ti ka sẹ́sọ̀ Nigeria okay ní kí federal government bọ́ síta kó sọ iye population wa ìgbà tí mọ̀mọ́ rẹ̀ mi Tinubu máa lọ sífẹ̀ ó ní she was a mother to she's a mother she's a mother to more than 240 million Nigerian citizens. ẹ bá wa bèrè lọ́wọ́ mọ̀mọ́ rẹ̀ mi as a senator ọdún wo la ti ń gbọ́ population Nigeria 240 million láti yọ ọdún wa ti máa tó 10 years. mọ iye ọmọ tó ti bí láti gbà yẹn kò increase àwọn gan ọmọ population torí àwọn northern part of Nigeria ò fẹ́ kí wọ́n kà á so that kílì yẹn á máa lọ wọn nílé okay ẹni kí Nigeria government kan sọ iye population wa báwo ṣe fẹ́ mọ iye tí wọ́n pa. any normal sane country á mọ iye tó ń wọ country ẹ̀ iye tó ń jáde iye tí population citizen ẹ̀ jẹ́ tó bá ń dín àbọ̀ minus country bí táwa wà iye tó ń wọlé lánàá January síbi tá a dé wọ́n mọ̀ iye tó padà jáde kúrò wọ́n mọ̀ iye tó tẹ̀ pa síbẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ àfi oníwèé wọ́n mọ̀. Nigeria citizen gangan àwọn gangan lọ tara wọn ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ ń ṣera yín láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà àwa náà máa tó jọyìn o gbogbo story tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ online yo bírú situation Regina Daniels ń sìn torí Nigeria citizen ọ̀rọ̀ Regina Daniels àti ancestor husband ẹ̀ pa Nedi Nwoko òun ni Nigeria citizen òun ni wọ́n ń bá pò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀mí wọn ò jọ wọ́n lógún mọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àgbọ̀ fídíò yìí.
But in the wake of a renewed onslaught by tireless military against Boko Haram and their ISWAP allies in recent times, the insurgents have apparently changed their strategy. They have started targeting Christians and Christian villages for a specific reason, which is to trigger a religious war and throw the nation into chaos. Apparently, they have realized how emotive and divisive religion can be when exploited by unscrupulous persons. Lest I am misunderstood, let me repeat. The insurgents who delude themselves as Muslims, whereas they are nothing more than bloodthirsty, rapacious killers who subscribe to no religion, have recently started targeting Christians with a view to sowing the seed of confusion and discord between the two great religions. This is not to say that they have stopped attacking Muslims, but they seem to now have a deliberate policy of attacking Christians. The attack on a Christian village, Korangulu, near Chibok, the killing of the chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria, the late Lawan Andimi, in Michigan local government in Adamawa State, the killing of Roville Dacia Dalep, a student who was also a member of the Church of Christ in Nations, cousin, and the killing of 11 Christians on Christmas Eve fit into this new strategy.
Lakurawa terrorist bomb KB custom camp, kill officer. Okay. Suspected members of the notorious Lakurawa terrorist group have launched a deadly attack on the Nigeria Customs Service NCS camp in Maje, a community in Bagudo local government area of KB State. Local sources say the assailants invaded the facility in large numbers on Saturday night and opened fire indiscriminately on officers. One custom personnel was reportedly killed before the attackers set the camp ablaze. The terrorists came in number and started shooting sporadically. As of the time of filming this report, neither the Kebbi State government nor the NCS has issued an official statement on the incident. Bóyá terrorist group ti KB governor yẹn gangan òun ló lọ attack àwọn custom. Aláwọn governor, sultan, minister, senator, northern part, àwọn ni wọ́n sin gbogbo terrorist group, àwọn náà ni wọ́n. They are the ones sponsoring them. Àwọn náà ní kó lọ attack custom base yẹn. Wọ́n náà custom base. Wọ́n attack gbogbo àwọn custom officer tó wà ńbẹ̀. Your paper Nigeria wá sọ wípé èèyàn kan lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó sọ wípé wọ́n attack on gbogbo custom officer tó wà ńbẹ̀. Wọ́n wá ń jẹ́ kó yé wa pé custom ẹyọ kan ló kù. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó tún sẹ̀dẹ̀ tó sẹ̀tẹ̀ à place wọ́n ṣáná sí. Bóyá máa ń operate nìyẹn tó bá ti pa àwọn èèyàn tó pọ̀, the next thing wọ́n á dé ṣáná sí gbogbo rẹ̀ kó jóná dé irú. Ṣebí Lai Mohammed là ń wo fídíò yìí ní ìgbà ayé Buhari. Ìwọ náà fẹ́ ti ara ẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó fi ránṣẹ́, press release kan ló ń ṣe mẹ́yẹn. Àwọn people yìí náà wà lára àwọn tó kọ lẹ́tà ní ìgbà ayé Buhari government. Lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ White House ní America bẹ́ẹ̀, come to their aid against terrorism, against genocide. Tí bàbá Tinubu bá wá fi yé gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá àtẹ̀yin gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire tẹ́ wá ń rò wípé nítorí bàbá Tinubu wà ńbẹ̀. No, kò ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú torí bàbá Tinubu wà ńbẹ̀ o. Fine, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn ìgbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n pààyàn ni? Ṣé rí àti bàbá Tinubu àti northern leader àti southern leaders gbogbo wọn pátápátá kò ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ní interest aráàlú nínú. Interest ara wọn, caucus wọn àti political party wọn òun ni wọ́n wà after. Ẹ̀mí àwọn citizen kò jọ Nigeria government lójú. As a matter of fact, níbi tí ilẹ̀ gbé mọ́lẹ̀ ní, ó need anybody kó wá sọ fún ìwà àtèmi àfi tó bá like kó máa tọrẹ lóko. Puppet lásán ni bàbá Tinubu jẹ́ as a president. Kò ń ṣe àwọn nìkan, ìgbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀ náà puppet ni. Àwọn people northern leaders and elder yìí, àwọn ni wọ́n rúùlù Nàìjíríà. Àwa ní kẹ́ jẹ́ ká fi Nàìjíríà sílẹ̀ fún wọn ká yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ kán gbé mi. Kẹ́ jẹ́ ká bá ti wa dúró sójú ayé wa, ká build ayé wa, ká dẹni ìtẹ̀síwájú, ká fi ògo ẹ̀dùn adúláwọ̀ tọ́lọ́run dá fún wa. Wípé àwa la máa tọ́ káàkiri àgbáyé. Borí ló fi wá ṣe ká wá fi hàn fáyé. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà kan torí ẹ wá ń jẹ lábẹ́ àwọn Fúlàní, àwọn Haúsá, àwọn Northerner. Ẹ wá torí ẹ bìkítà iye ẹ̀mí ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá máa lọ sí ọwọ́ àwọn people yìí torí àti jẹun titi yín àti jẹ post yín. Kò wá sí àgbààgbà kan tó ní ìgboyà láti sọ̀rọ̀ bí Sultan ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ despite the fact pé gbogbo the whole wide world wọ́n name Sultan of Sokoto, Sheik Gumi as one of the terrorist leader ní Nigeria, yet àwọn méjèèjì they are granting interview up and down. Baba Tinubu cannot ṣé the same Baba Tinubu tí ò lè arrest ordinary Gumi tó jẹ́ pé ilẹ̀ mímọ́ tó ní ẹ̀sìn mùsùlùmí wọ́n tarí ẹ̀ dànù pé kó má wá sí ilẹ̀ wọn mọ́, wọn fẹ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ bí mo ṣe bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ sí Gumi wọn ló pètèpèrò àti sá lọ sí Turkey. Gumi wọn ló ń múra lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ó fẹ́ sá lọ sí Turkey kó má bàa arrest ẹ̀. Ṣé ìgbà tó bá ti sá lọ yẹn ni Baba Tinubu, ìgbà yẹn ni federal government Nigeria wá declare, wọn náà declare Gumi wanted àbí? Kò wá sí àgbààgbà kan ní South níbi tí sọ́tà olórí terrorist bá ti sọ wípé one Nigeria is not negotiable torí ó rí wa pa fún àǹfààní ara ẹ̀. Kò wá sí àgbààgbà kan àtọba àti governor àti minister, any one of you nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kẹ́ tí ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ our behalf kẹ́ make us proud lọ́jọ́ kan wípé iyebíye lẹ̀mí ti wá jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ títí yín tí ẹ̀mí àwọn ará tí wọn ò bá jẹ́ iyebíye lọ́dọ̀ tí wọn. Wípé sọ́tà ò ní right láti máa sọ one Nigeria is not negotiable, why you are paying everybody? Kò sí àgbààgbà kan àti governor àti senator àti minister àtọba àti joyè including Nigeria president Tinubu himself wọn lè sọ. Nigeria president ò ní agbára, kò ní agbára ordinary power láti arrest ordinary Sheik Gumi, a citizen of Nigeria tí ò ní pọ́ọ̀sì kankan tó dì mú. Yet ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ wípé Baba Tinubu is a president. Press up lẹ́ṣẹ̀ inú lẹ́sà. The only press tá rí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ̀, press up nìkan ni Baba Tinubu ṣe. You are not a president. Puppet òun lẹ jẹ́. No wonder tí ò sí kankan tẹ́ ẹ rí gbé ṣe láti gbà tẹ́ ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Abájọ ẹ rí kankan ṣe. Lẹ́yìn pé kàn yáwó, a kàn ń gbọ́ pé ẹ yáwó ẹ ṣe Coastal Road. Kò sí kankan Coastal Road náà rádaràdá ni. Ó yá tọ́ka sí ìkan ẹyọkan tí Baba Tinubu ti tó ṣe látìgbà tó ti débẹ̀ successfully. Ó yá tó bá rí òkè ó yìí máa ṣe kí ni bá mi júwe nǹkan kan tó fi ẹ́ lọ́kàn balẹ̀ pé kán tó lo first term tán Baba Tinubu á rí nǹkan ṣe àti pé gan kí ni Baba Tinubu sọ fún ẹ pọ́n ṣáà láwọn ní blueprint ni ṣáà láwọn ní nǹkan kan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Bàbá ò lọ ṣe nǹkan kan, bàbá cruise kiri ni our president káwọ́ sókè fún president káwọ́ sókè kẹṣà tí máa tó convoy pa president ń bọ̀ kẹ lọ máa represent Nigeria ní gbogbo summit all over the world president nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti di wípé decision nípa Nigeria you are a puppet sir. Kì í ṣe Baba Tinubu nìkan, Buhari too while he was there gbogbo wọn àti Jonathan gbogbo wọn ní bákan náà bọ̀ wọn ò ní sòótọ́ fún wa nítorí àǹfààní tiwọn, torí àǹfààní tiwọn ni o, kì í ṣe torí àǹfààní tiwa o. Tí Nàìjíríà kò sí kankan tí anything tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tí federal government bá dédé bọ́ síta tán wá sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé wọ́n kí ẹ̀ nípa citizen, it is all lie. Tí ò bá wá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣé ó yẹ kí UK government kó sọ wípé wọ́n tàgì north as a dead zone risk zone area kí àwọn citizen wọn kọ́ máa lọ kó wá jẹ́ ìgbà yẹn ní federal government ṣáfẹ́ wá bọ́ síta àwọn ti gbọ́ wọ́n máa take action sin láti protect north so that àwọn èèyàn wọn máa wá. Kí wá ní gbogbo ẹjọ́ tó ti wá ń tò tó sọ wípé àwọn ready láti flush terrorist tí Baba Tinubu ní action ti dìde wọ́n ti release àwọn kan wọ́n ti kó new set of army wọ́n ti kó wọn jáde wọ́n máa ní action. A jẹ́ pé irọ́ ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ wọn ṣe nada. Anything tó bá rí online wọ́n lọ attack terrorist wọ́n pa terrorist as a matter of fact terrorist ti fẹ́ pa gbogbo army Nigeria tán. orúkọ tèmi ò yípadà, Ìyèdára Kowé ni mò ń jẹ́ àpàdé níbi comment section. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi share. Ire o.